common to all of them, but different data depending on the different types of objects. And of course, mapping those out against the stages of the job that the data needs to be gathered from. I'm sure by now you can imagine with all these dots flying around the screen, just the multitude of bits of information that need to be assembled in order to be able to complete the process and the handover process. So, creating the COBie output, though, should really be a simple capture of that set of information added to the COBie spreadsheet so that we can hand over all of that intelligence and knowledge to the client. In reality, there are several approaches. There's the model-centric approach or the data-centric approach, which Ian and I are very much the favour of. And in the interest of balance and everything, what I've done is identified some of the tools that are used in the model-centric world in order to pull that information together with various things like BIMit and BIMlink, mechanisms of helping to add data to models. But obviously certain tools working better with certain authoring software. The really key thing in our world is that in the data light solution, we're collecting all that data in one place. We're bringing consistent process. Yeah? And then when we create outputs, things like COBie, we're not producing COBie for the sake of producing COBie. We're simply producing COBie as an output of what we do. And that is obviously a much more sensible way to work because it's simpler and quicker and it can be repeated time and time again. So, of course, when you look to the operational tasks, the operational processes, most of the tasks, if you go back to the slide where I was showing you